Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's gray. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof. GLA 250 4MATIC badging. Clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. On the side we've got a blind spot assist, memory seats, power windows, hopping in. Steering wheel controls also included smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Black ash wood trim. Rear view backup camera. Also included is the convenience package, which gives you auto dimming mirrors and garage door openers. Hard keys for a media display. Heated seats. Dual climate controls. Cup holders. This GLA 250 has 35,410 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.